Hi, we're both with Enphase Energy, and today we're here with another series of frequently asked questions. This one is focused on EV charging.
I keep thinking about the fact that I'm about to have a new driver in my home, and I think an EV is a great option for a new driver. What I'm wondering is, what if I am having more than one car in my future? How do I plan for something like that?
Yeah, absolutely. It's great to think about the future because EVs are becoming more and more relevant these days. A lot of people choosing to drive them. So having something like a dual charging station at your home is a great option. The dual charging station from Enphase is going to be one charging station that you mount to your wall. It uses one single circuit, so it's very inexpensive to install rather than having two. And it's going to have two charging cables coming from it, allowing you to charge two vehicles simultaneously from a single circuit.
So are both cars getting equal charge until one is full and then it all transfers to the next car in that scenario?
Yes, that's correct. So the way that it'll work is if you have two vehicles plugged in and both are requesting a charge, meaning that it does need power to fill the battery pack, it's going to split the power 50-50 between each car. Once one vehicle is full, you don't have to unplug the vehicle, you don't have to do anything. Once it stops requesting that charge, the charging station understands that and is going to resume to offering full power to the other vehicle. This could allow for a faster charge if that vehicle is capable of taking in the higher power, allowing it to finish its charge sooner than when the power was being split.
If you didn't get your question answered today, email us at questions@enphase.com and we'll be sure to get to it next time.